Did you know that you could easily invest in an index passively? ETFs offer a simple way to invest in an index. Let's learn more about index tracking ETFs in this video. To access the Index ETF section, click on the Switch to button from an index overview page and click on the ETF section. When you land on the ETFs page, you will first see Tickertape's commentary on what exchange-traded funds are. Next, you will see a list of all the ETFs that track the underlying index, in this case, the Nifty 50. All the ETFs listed here have the following details. The cost, which is the current market price of one share of the ETF, its one-day return, its liquidity, the higher the better, its expense ratio, which is the charge the AMC levies for managing the ETF, the lower the better, and lastly, its tracking error, which is how closely the funds track its underlying benchmark index, the lower the better in this case as well. So there you go, all the ETFs that track the Nifty 50 in one place. And if you are interested to see more about the ETF, invest in it or add it to your watch list, you can easily do it from right here. We will soon be starting a dedicated series on ETFs, so please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more. Happy investing!